And they're very striking, very charismatic, very interesting display, the way they jump up and they call and fly down. And yeah, they're just very unique, very interesting species to be studying.
The biggest threats come from companies who come to invest in the land and build industrial scale farming operations which remove the grasslands, which remove habitat for their threatened species, and also limit the access of local communities to the areas that they used to use.
Dương miên mô tả phiệp đá là dương cà pia tầm bòn bán cứ cà pia viêl nó cứ cà pia chùm rô bỏ sạch nằng vừa sạch nằng càn lằng.
We focus not only one thing, we focus two things, conservation and also the farming. So that means we protect the Bengal pelican and other large water bird species, and also improve the people livelihood. For example, the people can use the area like grazing or growing deep water rice by family and fishing.
Chẳng nè, ca để dân tha để xa vì tí mũi cái to tam rồi dạ ca phía sổ bọc cổ côn nè đôi trên trong ca được sọ còn ai được hơn được bật ở đây là con đôi chỉ lại nặng bọc bay này chỉ lại nặng cua xả tạm bay chỉ vào phiêu rồi được không ông ta chỉ sống chết ở đó đi
គម្រោងកសិជីវៈចម្រុះនេះគឺថាមានន័យធំទូលំទូលាយសម្រាប់ប្រជាពលរដ្ឋទូទាំងឃុំបលាយនេះគឺថាអាចមានរស់ស្រួលបាទតបញ្ហាអនាគតកូនចៅ Very good view Jerry from here
It really is a race against time. If you're going to effectively conserve a species, you have to know, a lot about the ecology, the habitat requirements, and all that information is absolutely crucial. And obviously, it takes time to get that. But once you have that information, you know how to effectively conserve and manage the habitat.